I'm coming up with the chain loop video after a long time, as I like to experiment with different chain loops on my motorcycles, where I like to see manufacturers going a long way, making a distinct formulation with their compositions. So this time my friend has got the Motorex chain loop for his RTR 164V. You must have already seen the motorcycle review video on the channel. So apart from the RTR 164V, I have used this on my BMW G310R twice. That gave me a good idea on its performance, and in this video I will share insights based on my experience which should help riders looking to get premium chain lubes like this. Now Motorex labels this as fully synthetic chain lube, which is a good thing as synthetic polymers gives better service under stress and strain conditions like chain lubrication. Now I didn't find PTFE mentioned on the can, so I was expecting this chain lube to be tacky, like most sticky kind of chain lubes I have used in the past from brands like Motul and Worth. But surprisingly, this one has got a very mild tack with almost slippery surface effect. Again, this one is not ceramic, but some specific polymer additive that balances this stick and slip property really well. Even if I compare this to the Liquimoly fully synthetic chain lube, the Liquimoly chain lube is way more tacky in nature. Now coming to the use case, some may prefer this stickier chain lubes as they don't spill and spatter around, but they are also known for attracting a lot of dirt and dust, asking for frequent cleaning of chains and sprockets. The Motorex chain lube has tried well to balance this. If you ask for my advice, then give it around 30 seconds to 1 minute of time after spraying it to penetrate and settle in between the links and rollers. The performance has been really good on my friend's RTR 164V. He is absolutely happy with the smooth operation on his chain drive. In my case, I guess I have said this before that the G310R's chain drive system isn't particularly a silent one, but this chain lube did hold up in bringing the NVH down to a certain extent. While using this on my motorcycle, I have noticed a few things. One of them was no spills and splatter on the rim, which means the lube has clinged well onto the chain. It also resists well to water washes unless you directly spray it on the chain with pressure jet. This year we also faced some uncertain rains in November, which showed no sign of rust or corrosion spots on the RTR's chain. Coming to the service life, for both the RTR 164V and the BMW G310R, we experienced around 400 to 450 kilometers, which is better than the earlier PTFE based chain lube I had used. As it can be seen, the lube has almost dried up after 450 kilometers of use, which is a decent service life, but there is no excessive sign of dirt or dirt deposits, which is good especially if you want to use it for long rides, where you can skip the cleaning part and reapply the chain lube and you are ready to hit the road again. My friend is better in doing this consumption calculations, where he said this 500 ml can with 367 grams of product content will last around 10 to 12 applications, where he says each application will cost him less than 100 rupees. So this was my experience with the Motorex chain lube. So that's it for this video, and I hope you guys have liked it.